So in this video, we're going to be solving equations of this format, which is essentially making it look kind of similar to something that we looked at in the previous section, where we're solving linear equations, but these will result in quadratics. Okay, so let's take a look at number 1. We have 1 over 2x plus 1 is equal to x plus 1. So 1 over 2x plus 1 is equal to x plus 1. So the first thing we're going to want to do is to multiply by the denominator here. So we want to get x out of the denominator. So we're going to multiply both sides by 2x plus 1. The left-hand side just becomes 1. And the right-hand side, well, what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to consider it as a multiplication of two brackets, which we're then going to have to expand. So expanding the brackets, we're going to get x times 2x, so 2x squared, x times 1, 1 times 2x, 1 times 1. Okay, so let's keep everything onto the right-hand side. So in the process of simplifying this, I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides as well. So we're going to get 2x squared, x plus 2x is 3x, and then we've got 1 take away 1. So that's gone. So we're left with this equation here. Now we can solve this equation by factoring out the x and getting a single bracket of 2x plus 3. So either the x is 0 or this bracket is 0, which means that x would have to have been minus 3 halves. And they're my two answers for number 1. So number 2, we have 2 over 3 take away x is equal to 4 take away x. So once again, we'll multiply up by the denominator. We'll get 2 is equal to 4 take away x times 3 take away x. So let's expand the brackets. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times minus x times 3, and then minus x times minus x. Let's tidy this up, keeping everything onto the right-hand side. So I'm going to subtract 2 from this as well. So we'll have the x squared, minus 4x take away 3x is minus 7x. 12 take away 2 is 10. Okay, now, can this be factorised? Two numbers that multiply together make 10, add together make minus 7. So minus 5 and minus 2. So x take away 5, x take away 2. So either this bracket is 0, so x is 5, or this bracket is 0, so x is 2. And so they are my two solutions for number 2. Okay, number 3, we have 5 over 2x plus 1 is equal to 3 take away x. So let's multiply up by the denominator. So 5 is equal to 3 take away x times 2x plus 1. Expand out the brackets. 3 times 2x is 6x. 3 times 1 is 3. Minus x times 2x, so minus 2x squared. Minus x times 1 is minus x. So let's tidy everything up. I think it would be easier this time if I bring everything onto the left-hand side, because then I'll get a positive value of x squared. Okay, so I'm going to add 2x squared to both sides. I've got 6x take away x, that's 5x. So let's subtract 5x from both sides. And let's subtract 3 from both sides. So 5 take away 3 is 2 equals 0. Okay, so this one it's got a coefficient of x squared, which is 2. So I'm not going to bother looking for a factorising, personally. If I complete the square, the numbers aren't going to be nice. I'm going to get minus 5 halves, I'm going to get minus 5 quarters in there. I don't really want to deal with that. So I think quadratic formula, let's go with that. So x is equal to minus b, so positive 5, plus or minus b squared, which is 25, take away 4 times 2 times 2, all over 2a, so 2 times 2. So 25, 4 times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, so 25 take away 16 is 9. So root 9 over 4. So root 9 is, of course, 3. Okay, so x is equal to 5 plus 3, which is 8, over 4, which is 2. Or 5 take away 3, which is 2, over 4, which is a half. So this would have factorised 2x minus 1 and x take away 2. Okay, so factorising would have worked. Okay, last one. 10 over x take away 2 is equal to 2x take away 4. So let's multiply up by x take away 2 first. So 10 equals 2x take away 4 times x take away 2. Okay, so 10 equals, let's multiply out the brackets, 2x squared, then minus 4x, another minus 4x there, minus 4 times minus 2 is plus 8. Let's keep everything onto the right-hand side. So 2x squared, take away 8x, take the 10 from both sides, so minus 2. Now, each term has common factor of 2 there, so let's divide everything through by 2. Okay. Now, I don't think that's going to factorise, I'm afraid. So this should be actually quite easy to complete the square. So let's do it that way. So x take away 2 squared, take away 4, take away 1. Take away 5. Add the 5 to both sides. Let's go up here. So square root both sides, so plus or minus root 5 is equal to x take away 2. So x is equal to 2, adding 2 to both sides, plus or minus root 5. So yeah, it wouldn't factorise. Quadratic formula would have worked fine, but sometimes completing the square is just as fast.